In this video, I'm going to show you how to reschedule a US visa appointment. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is log into your profile. So go to the US Department of State's visa appointment website for your country. This is usually hosted by US Travel Docs, and this is the website here. Then select your country and sign into your profile using the credentials you created when booking your original appointment. Then from here, navigate to the appointment section. So after logging in, look for an option like reschedule appointment or change appointment date. This is typically found on the dashboard or under appointment history. And now go ahead and select a new appointment date. So view available appointment slots, choose a new date and time that suits your needs. Note appointment availability depends on your location and demand. Some consulates may have limited slots, so keep that in mind. Then from here, confirm the change. So once you've selected a new date, confirm your choice. You may receive a new confirmation letter via email or in the site itself. Then from here, print the new appointment confirmation. So save and print the updated appointment confirmation letter. You'll need this when you attend your interview. So make sure you print that out and take that with you. Now, we've got some limits on rescheduling. So most systems allow only a limited number of reschedules, typically 2 to 3 times. So keep that in mind. Exceeding the limit may require you to pay a new visa fee. And while you're here, there's some important notes as well. So do not cancel your appointment unless you're sure. Reschedule and retain your original application and MRV fee. And also some US embassies, consulates may require contacting support to reschedule under certain conditions.